Good day, everyone. This is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and this is Saturday, the 6th of March, 2021. And this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the second week of March. And if you look at both charts, you can see how bearish the spot gold has been over the last couple of weeks. And meanwhile, dollar yen has been rising, and that's due to the US dollar recovering and strengthening. And last week it broke through key resistance. Let's take a look at the DXY, the US dollar index first, and you can see the breakout last Friday, and we started from Wednesday, and then the big move up on Thursday. This was fueled by comments or the lack of decisive action on the rising bond yields that stirred or triggered this move stronger as bond yields continued to rise, and so did the US dollar index, and stock market continued to slide as well. So this triggered the move on Thursday, and then the follow through on Friday with a slight pullback with a non-farm payroll report with better than expected figures. But this is a major breakthrough after a whole month since the beginning of January actually, where it has managed to find support at the 138 fib extension, and then recovering back to cross back the swing low at 100 fib, and potentially targeting this next intermediate fib at 786, and perhaps trying to reach the 200 EMA. But this was also after a second bounce and retest of this area at the 162 fib extension, which drove US dollar higher. Let's take a look at where this came from. This is on the bigger move, bearish continuation move. That's to the 138 fib. And then a reversal move after this retracement back to the 50 fib retracement area. Continued to fall back down, and then started to climb back up from the 138, 162 fib extension of this reversal move, and trying to reach the 78.6 fib retracement. All right. The FOMC meeting is in a couple more weeks on the 17th of March, so that will allow the Fed to state their position in a more formal manner. All right, let's take a look at the spot gold. And after a bearish close for the month in February, the last couple of days of February, it attempted to pull back, but with not much support, and continued to dip down towards the 138 fib extension of this continuation move. And just below 1700 as well, it hit 1687, and the low here, if I can take a look here, is 1687.28, is at 1687.34, right, within 0.6 of a pip. And bounce off to close right at 1700, 44 cents. So there could be some pullback this coming week, but there's could be limited move. We'll see how the US dollar progresses as well. And if we look a bit further lower, the next support area will be at the 1650 level, and below that 1640, that's the 162 pip extension. It may not get there so soon, but in the next couple of weeks, and especially when the FOMC coming up. All right. So this week, there's only a minor news from US with the CPI figure. Let's take a look at the dollar yen, where it has been rising along with the US dollar index. And it has pushed through the 108 resistance and closed even higher than expected, past the 62 pip retracement area. That's on the larger time frame of this whole move back to the 62 pip retracement. Right, and with this reversal here, it's heading towards the 200 pip extension, which is not too far away, 108.76. All right, which is just up here. There was a slight pullback on the Friday night. So with this, there could be some consolidation for next week, and perhaps until the following week with the FOMC meeting coming up. So we'll see if there's any further breakthrough higher, or it could just consolidate to build a base above the 107, and before threatening to move up higher as well. All right, so do check out my other videos on the major pairs and the Ichimoku analysis, and have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.